Hello students, let's do the Pepperoni Pizza Planet. The areas of the two quadrilaterals are given along with variable side lengths. So we got to find some stuff. Side length is 5x area, base length, height length, area. Find x, find y, and answer all these questions. All right, here's what's going on. So this square is a 5x by 5x squared. So if we take 5x squared, that's going to equal the area. The rectangle has a base of 12y and a height of 5y. So if we take 12y times 5y, it will equal the area. So writing out the equations is half the battle. Now we can solve with our math skills. I'm actually going to cheat a little bit here. So I should take 5x times 5x and make like 25x squared. But I'm not going to do that. You get the same answer. You could solve, I take it back. You could take 25x squared and set that equal to the area of 4, 2, 2, 5. You get the same thing, but check this out. Instead of actually squaring 5x, you can actually square root first. Check this out. So if you square root both sides, the square and the square root will cancel. You'll have 5x equals 65. It's pretty easy to solve. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X is going to equal 13. You'd get the same thing over here. If you divide by 25, and then divide by 25, and then square root both sides, guess what? You get the same thing. You get x equals 13. Save that. We're going to need that to answer some questions here. I'm going to go ahead and find y. This one, you're not really much of a shortcut. There kind of is one, but I'm not going to show it today. So here we go. If you go 12y times 5y, we're going to get a 60y squared, and that's going to equal 2940. All right, so let's divide by 60, divide by 60. Sorry, I'm kind of writing crooked here. My writing tablet's kind of crooked. I'm kind of running out of space on my desk here. 2940 divided by 60. I don't have that pre-made. Hey, what do you know? 49, isn't that nice? All right, so then we'd square root. Now, the reason I'm not involved in the negative square roots is because we have actual side lengths, so the negative side lengths wouldn't make a whole lot of sense. So y value is 7. All right. Now we actually need to answer the questions. On top of that, now that we have x and y, it says, what is the actual side length of the red square? Well, the red square is 5x by 5x. Oh, I know that x is 13. So if I go 5 times 13, that will get my red square side length. 5 times 13 is 65, which is weird because that's the number that we got over here. Oh, crazy, right? So anyway, moving on. What else we got? Y value is 7. The base length is 12y. So we'd have to go 12 times 7 for the base length. 12 times 7 is 84. All right. Now here's kind of a trick. If you want, you could take the area divided by 84. It would give you the height. It's the same thing as if you went 5 times 7, which is 35. There you go. So either way, you'll get the answers that you need. So solve for x, solve for y, plug them back in to find the the side length of the red square, and then the base and height length of the blue rectangle, and everybody wins. All right, that's it for the Pepperoni Pizza Planet. See you in class.